Yo, what up, David? This is Carlo, and this is my week 10 summary. So, this week basically went like this. We did the spiral electric field again. You went over it a little bit on Wednesday. Um, we did a little bit with the Arduino stuff, and we worked on our project 2 a lot, which is coming around pretty nicely, as you can see. And that's where the air is gonna go in through. And there's one valve and another valve, and that's where it's gonna shoot out of. So I think it's gonna look pretty cool. Right now our main problem is too many batteries. We bought some 9-volt batteries, and we did get this one to work, but when we tried it with the 9 volts, we soldered them wrong and we shorted them out. And then when we fixed it, we couldn't get it to work. I don't know if we had the connections wrong or if they burnt out completely, but we'll figure that out tomorrow, hopefully. Um, this week I've spent like 8 hours doing stuff for this class, mostly the project, and also for my vegetarian paper, which is pretty interesting. At first, I thought it was just gonna be easy, basic stuff, but then after I started looking up some of these things, like why heart disease and the LDL cholesterol levels and stuff, and how it works, I think I found it pretty interesting. As you can see, I have all these links that are eating up my Wi-Fi or RAM, whatever, and they all have a lot of cool information. I don't know why they're blank right now. But my paper's coming along pretty nicely. I have a lot of my points down. I just need to find some time to actually do it. We also spend a lot of our time doing the SEF. Um, a lot of this stuff is in my notes, but I just showed the work right here. And I like doing things the simpler way. This confused me, the a plus x, a minus x, blah blah. I did on this one, on 39B, because it was very similar to his, where you had two of the same charges, but then when it was two different charges, I got confused. But when I saw the video, like, compared to his work, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, like three main steps, and then just simple algebra stuff. And I get the correct answer. Um, Here is 40B, and I got 4.83A. And I start from this charge, so positive is this way, so 4.83 that way. And here's my screenshot. So 1, 2, 3, 4.8, and I get 0. So it does work well that way. The neat resources were pretty cool. The 3D stuff, I automatically thought of holograms and things like that. And I was looking through someone's, and I think this is Artino's, about a 3D TV, and I think it looked pretty cool. Like, I would not mind playing video games like that. I think it'd be neat if there was like a hologram, uh, that you could see like a grid, like the whole thing, what's going on in the whole space. I think that would be cool. Like for war games and things like that. Um, I have learned this week. I've learned a lot about PVC pipes and water sprinklers, and how much of a, excuse my language, but how much of a bitch it is to find all these little connectors to make things from 3/4 inch to 2 inches. Like, that was so annoying. Biggest headache of my life right there. Um, and then I learned how to like make things, put things together. Like with a little bit of your help, we knew we needed this many batteries, and then me and Josue figured out how to connect them to get them to work in series to add up to the required voltage. So I thought that was pretty neat, and it's problem solving skills that I can take with me to future classes and hopefully future projects. I really want to take the things I've learned and with future classes that build on them, start doing more projects. And I really need to start getting into school and doing cool things like these. I did another project at ASU for an engineering class, and a lot of my friends liked it, and I like showing them that stuff. So that's my week 10 summary, David. Can't wait till the class is over. I'm kidding. Okay, bye.